It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Good morning. How everybody doing? I'm going to get back on the Element today. I'm just going to do a quick video on changing out the rear diff oil on it. It takes a special Honda dual clutch to the 5th power type oil. I have no idea, but we're gonna change it out and see what it looks like. Cause I believe, I don't think it ever been changed, and it has over 240 something thousand miles on it. So let's get into it and see what we got. So this is the 2003 Honda Element differential, because this Honda Element is all-wheel drive, and it's got 245,000 miles or something like that, probably a little bit more. But I want to check the diff in it, the diff fluid. I did break the 2 bolts loose. You always want to break the feeler bolt first, just in case. You don't want to undo this, drain it out, you can't get that open. So I did undo this one first, and then I undid the second one. And also we're going to replace the crush washers as well. So let me put my gloves on here, so I know I'm about to get messy. Yep. It doesn't look that bad. But we're still gonna replace it. And this is the crush washer. Well, it's not actually really a crush washer, just a washer. But I'm gonna replace those two, because from Honda it requires it. So let's take out the top one. Okay, we got that one out too. Wipe it off a little bit. Let me grab the oil. So this is the oil. It's a genuine Honda dual pump fluid 2, and this is what you want to use. I think it takes like 1.5 quarts from what I read. I'm gonna fill that up and just let this drain on out. See if anything comes out. Let me grab the crush washer. Alrighty, I think that's good. Let's go ahead and put the plug back in it. And let's tighten her up. Go ahead and snag this, tighten up this bottom one real quick. Alrighty. That should be good. Get our oil here. See if I can get it in there. This one is kind of clear. can't turn the bottle up the other way because there's something there. Let's see if I can show you guys how clear it is. There's still quite a bit in there. Already got the next one. Now the thing is to fill it till it starts pouring out. Then you know you're full. The other time it was coming out, I was blowing in there. Okay, now we're full. Let's see, double check. Yeah, see, now we're full. So it didn't actually take two of those. It only really took one. Alrighty, and we on level ground. Go ahead and close this off. Wipe everything down. Got the disc oil changed out. I noticed it was really red. I don't know if you guys picked up on that. It was actually really red. And then the oil that I put in, you seen it was kind of like, I don't know, to me it looked clearish with a slight like tint of like pink. It was slightly pink. So I guess that's a good thing. I don't know anything about the transmission, the history on it. I did check the fluid. It looks red. That's all I know, and it doesn't smell burnt. I have smelled burnt oil before, transmission oil, and it didn't feel like it. It didn't feel like it at all. It didn't smell like it at all, and it didn't feel gritty. Sometimes you get like a small thing from gritty from the transmission fluid when the clutch starts breaking down inside of it. It's like a little clutch discs that break down. But the rear end, it didn't have any odor at all. Kind of, I mean, it smelled like oil, but it didn't have anything, to me, as in looking at it, anything special. But if you guys have any questions or anything about it, please hit me up. Send me a comment or a like or a dislike, whatever you might want to be. Until next time, see you guys again later.